Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and the crochet hook in size 5.5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I'll leave like a medium sized loop, then I'll wrap the yarn on the hook and pull through. Now with my middle finger and my thumb I'll hold my work just like this. See, we have 3 strands of yarn, so 2 on the right side, 1 on the left side. So right there through that loop I insert my hook, wrap the yarn on the hook and pull through, wrap the yarn on the hook and pull through. So this is our first Solomon's knot. And now again I'll pull on this crochet hook just like this until we create a desired loop. So it's very important to keep our loops as even as possible. I know it's almost impossible to make them precisely the same, but we should try to keep them as even as possible. So now again with my middle finger and my thumb I'll just hold my work just like this. See, wrap the yarn on the hook and pull through. Now right here through this loop I'll make a single crochet, and that's our second Solomon's knot. So we repeat this until we have 48 Solomon's knots. Now that we've made 48 Solomon's knots, right here through this loop in the beginning of a row, right through that loop I'll make 1 single crochet. And now for row 2, so this is kind of like a foundation row, but we'll call it row 1, but it's more like a foundation row. And now for row 2 I will make 2 Solomon's knots. So 1 and 2. Now I'll skip 1 single crochet chain, and right here through a second single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. And now again I'll make 2 Solomon's knots. I'll skip 1 single crochet chain and through a second single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll make 2 Solomon's knots. Then I'll skip the first single crochet chain and through a second single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll make 2 Solomon's knots, 1 and 2. Then I'll skip this first single crochet chain and through the second single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. So we repeat this throughout row 2. So to finish row 2 I'll make 2 Solomon's knots. Then right here at the beginning of row 2 I'll make a slip stitch. So yeah, so this completes row 2. So for the pattern we repeat row 2. So we repeat row 2 until our work measures 13 inches, and then we divide our work in half. You see how we had 26 of these loops, we'll divide them in half. So 13 loops will be at the front and 13 of these loops at the back. And then we'll stop working around, but we just work from one corner to another until our back side reaches 7 inches, and then we repeat the same thing for the front. And now when we work the Solomon's knot on the corners, we need to make 3 of these knots. So 1, 2, and 3. And I'll skip 1 knot into the second knot right here, the one that's sticking up. I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll make 2 knots. Then again I'll skip 1 Salmon's knot and through the second Salmon's knot, the one that's sticking up, just like that. I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll make 2 Salmon's knots. 1, 2. Then I'll skip 1 Salmon's knot and through the second Salmon's knot I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll make 2 Salmon's knots. Then I'll skip 1 Salmon's knot and through the second Salmon's knot I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll make 2 Salmon's knots. Then I'll skip 1 Salmon's knot and through the second Salmon's knot I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll make 2 Salmon's knots. Then I'll skip 1 Salmon's knot and through the second Salmon's knot I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll make 2 Salmon's knots. Then I'll skip 1 Salmon's knot and through the second Salmon's knot I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll make 2 Salmon's knots. Then I'll skip 1 knot and through the second Salmon's knot I'll make 1 single crochet. So I'll repeat this until I reach the end of this row. So again I'll skip 1 chain and through the second chain I'll make 1 single crochet. So we'll repeat this until our work reaches 7 inches for the front and 7 inches for the back. So after we finish working in these 13 loops for the front and for the back, we'll join the front and the back with 4 loops. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've already joined one and I'm going to join another one and make sure we have only 4 loops. So now to join the front and the back, I'll make 2 Salmon's knots. One and 2. Now I'll just grab this other side and right here through this second Salmon's knot from the edge, see the first one and the second one, right through that second knot I'll make 1 single crochet. And now I'll make 1 Salmon's knot. And right here to the front, through the second Salmon's knot, I will make 1 single crochet. And now again I'll make 1 Salmon's knot. And to this other side, right there to the second Salmon's knot, I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll make 1 Salmon's knot. Now on the front part, right there to that second Salmon's knot, I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll make 1 Salmon's knot. And again to the back part, right there to that second Salmon's knot, I'll make 1 single crochet. So now, so far we have 2 of these loops left, now we need 2 more. Again I'll make 1 Salmon's knot. Then right here to this front part, right there to that second Salmon's knot, I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll make 1 Salmon's knot. Then right there to the back side, to that second Salmon's knot, I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll make 1 Salmon's knot. Then through the front, right there to that second Salmon's knot, I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll make 1 Salmon's knot. Then again through this back side, right there to that second Salmon's knot, I'll make 1 single crochet. Then I would chain 1. I will cut this yarn So this blouse is 22 inches long and it's 15 inches wide, but the nature of the salmon's knot stitch is very flexible, so it stretches quite a lot, so as you can see. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.